Looking for ways to make money online? If so, you're not alone. The digital era has ushered in countless opportunities to earn from the comfort of your own home. Online side hustles are quickly becoming a popular method of supplementing income, with some even transforming their side hustle into a full-time gig. The potential to make a significant income is real, and it's right at your fingertips. So, why not explore it? Stay tuned as we delve into 5 lucrative side hustles that you can start today. First on our list is freelance writing. It's a side hustle that's as versatile as it is rewarding. Freelance writing is all about creating content for others, whether it's blog posts, articles, or even social media captions. So, how do you start? Begin by creating a profile on popular freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This will serve as your digital storefront, showcasing your skills to potential clients. Next, build a portfolio. This can be a collection of your best works or samples tailored to the type of writing you want to offer. Remember, your portfolio is your chance to shine, so make it count. And lastly, don't be shy about pitching to potential clients. It's essential to get your name out there. The beauty of freelance writing is its flexibility. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can set your own working hours. And the potential income? Well, with a knack for writing and a bit of discipline, you can earn a handsome amount through freelance writing. Next, we have online tutoring. A brilliant way to generate income while sharing your expertise, online tutoring has become a popular side hustle. So, how do you get started? First, identify a subject you're proficient in. It could be anything from math to English, coding to cooking. Once you've chosen your subject, the next step is to register on an online tutoring platform. Websites like tutor.com or Chegg Tutors are great places to start. These platforms provide a virtual classroom for you to interact with your students. After you're registered, you'll need to set your schedule. One of the beauties of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, at any time that suits you. This side hustle isn't just about making money, it's about the satisfaction of helping others learn, grow, and achieve their goals. With knowledge to share and a passion for teaching, online tutoring can be a fulfilling and profitable side hustle. Third on our list is dropshipping. Let's dive into what this intriguing business model is all about. Simply put, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Now, how do you get started? First, select a niche. This could be anything from vintage watches to eco-friendly kitchenware. Next, you need to find a supplier who will provide the goods. There are numerous supplier directories online to help with this. Finally, set up your online store. There are many platforms available that make this process easy, even for beginners. The beauty of dropshipping is the low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory, and with the right marketing, you can generate passive income. With some research and hard work, dropshipping can turn into a profitable online business. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. This side hustle involves promoting a product or service on your platform and earning a commission each time a purchase is made through your referral link. Here's how it works. First, you choose a product or service that you genuinely believe in and would confidently recommend to others. Next, you sign up for an affiliate program associated with that product. Once approved, you'll receive a unique referral link to share on your platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even your social media pages. By promoting the product and driving traffic through your link, you can earn a percentage of each sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its potential for passive income. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of passive income. Last but not least, we have blogging. Picture yourself sharing your thoughts, ideas, or expertise with the world. That's what blogging is all about. Here's how you can get started. First, select a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Next, set up your blog. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms out there that can help you with this. Once you're all set, start creating valuable content that resonates with your audience. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Now the exciting part, monetizing your blog. You can do this through ads, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. The potential for passive income is immense. With passion and consistency, blogging can become a rewarding and profitable side hustle.